How to fix TikTok liked videos not showing up. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can fix liked videos not showing up on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue here is quite simple. If you open the TikTok app and then you just happen to like a couple of videos from the past and then you want to find a list where you would like to go ahead and see all those liked videos. Now normally if you wanted to find this, you would have to come to the profile icon from the bottom right, and right on your profile page right here you'll be able to see the little heart icon. But if you go to this heart shaped icon here, you should be able to see a list of all these liked videos over here. Now if for some reason this is not showing up in yours, here you can see a little setting that says you can make your liked videos public or private. So you can go to the privacy settings, see if any of these settings is actually affecting your liked video status over here. So right over here you should be able to see liked videos. You can set this to only me if you don't want other people to see whether or not that you've liked a certain video. However, let's say that you yourself are not being able to see this, then there are a couple of steps that I want you to follow. First of all, if you're using any sort of Android, you can just long press on the TikTok app icon, and when you tap the I icon here, you'll directly be taken to the app info page. If you're on iPhone, you can just try to uninstall and reinstall. Once you come to the app info page, you want to go to storage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Remember that clearing the data will remove your login details, so if you don't remember your login details, I wouldn't recommend you do this. After that, you can just try to open up your Play Store or your App Store, and in the search box just go ahead and then type in TikTok. Check if the app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version because it will fix most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version. Last but not the least, also just try to check your internet connection because sometimes some of the features could not be loading on TikTok if you're not properly connected to the internet. Again, just try to restart your device to see if that helps you solve your problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. Do comment down below which one of these helped you so that other people can also find the better way to figure out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.